We interrupt our program to bring you this.
But now I know that my play was fire, that you got a hoe. Other than that, you wanna get fucked up, then you don't. See, you're talking about the struggles, but I know you couldn't crumble on them fashion boy clothes.
But I know what I see. You want me, you want me, you want me back. I want you, I want you, I want you back. You tell me you don't love your.
Good morning, guys. Today is another special day for the FRS. So today we've actually got a lot of things to do. We got plenty of things to do, especially since we have the wide body kit going on today. So the reason I have it pieced out like this today right now is because since I've had it, I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, it's been kind of collecting some dust. And I don't really want dust to be, oh, you can definitely see it on that one. So I definitely don't want the dust to be on there once we're getting this put up. So this is how we're gonna basically do it. Most of the things we do, most of the body work and everything that I've done in the past, I don't know if I mentioned it in the other videos, but I've gotten most of the body work done in Mex. So what we're gonna do, since we've got to take that into Mex, we're gonna try for the most part to put as much of that on the actual FRS so that we can take it out there. The reason being is because if we take it out, like let's say on the truck, on the bed of the truck, they're gonna charge you taxes. And what we're trying to do is basically just have it slapped on however we can and just take it out there and then have the final work done. That way we won't be charged at the Mexican port of entry. So right now, like I said, I'm gonna give these guys a rinse, and then we'll be removing these side skirts so that we can fit on the other ones, and we'll go on from there.
You tell me I'm just better than every guy you've ever met. But I got flaws, I make mistakes, but in my eyes you're everything. We connect right, Xbox One. I could give a fuck what your ex-boy want. Tell me what you need, I can be what you want. Your ex can export while I get my import on. Cause you're more than special, you're more than.
So we've got the kit pretty rinsed up. As you can see, there's water all over it. I'm just gonna actually let it dry like that. We're gonna let the sweeto sun dry it out for a bit. Once it's dried, we're gonna move over to putting it actually on. Right now, I'm just gonna focus on taking those like I had mentioned earlier. So we got the little jack over here. So we're gonna have to jack up the FRS. Once it's up there, there's like, I believe 3 bolts, if I'm not wrong. There's 3 bolts that we have to go and take out so that side marks can be removed, or the side skirts, I mean. Side skirts can be removed, and once those are removed, we'll put that guy up back there. We'll put it on, slap as many pieces as we can on, and then we'll just head out to Mex. So I went inside and got changed real quick because we're about to get dirty. And I didn't want to get little Yoda dirty, so let's get this started, guys.
Important to me. I don't know what you want from me, but I know what I want from you. I don't know what to see.
And voila, she is off. That was way more than 3 bolts, but at least she's off. 1 down, 1 more to go.
You'll come on and stay there till mañana. I can eat it in the kitchen, I can fuck you on the couch. I'ma make it with you wild, I don't fuck around, but baby we connect. Took her by her hand, kiss her slowly on the lip. She wants me, she's wet like tsunami. She holds me, feeling on my tight jeans. She's out, man, I swear it. And she's got an ass like, whoa.
And finally, the second last piece. So let's Now that the last second piece has been removed, let's go check on the actual wide body kit. Let's see if it's already dried a bit. So as you can see, Manny's already leaving. The reason he's leaving is because, funny story is, we didn't know what we were gonna be expecting with the wide body kit. We actually weren't really able to put it on there as how we thought it would be. So it looks like we're actually gonna have to pay at the Mexican port of entry. It shouldn't be that much, but you know, when it comes to cars, you know, a guy's just trying to save a buck, because this hobby is definitely expensive. For all you car guys out there, you probably know what I'm talking about. So guys, we are in Mexico, as you can see. We're in Mexico. So right now we're driving to the body shop where the wide body kit's gonna be getting installed. Alright guys, so we brought the car to Mex. Take a look at her. This is one of the last times you'll be seeing her in this shape, because as soon as she's out of here, she's gonna be looking like a queen. So make sure to take a last look.
Blur that shit out. She used to hate on the kid, but she slurping it now. Slurping it now, working it.